It's quiet now here in the Stub Hub, but in a few moments you'll realize that it's opening night for the LA Galaxy. I'm Michael Reel, and this is ReelUrbanNews.com. Greg, it's opening day for the LA Galaxy. How exciting is that?
It is absolutely exciting. We expect a big crowd tonight, and it's very important to open up with a win and to get the season going on a good note.
What's the build-up to an opening night game like this?
Well, the build-up consists of early on during the winter advertisement and getting the message out to fans and potential fans, sponsorships and stuff like that. Mainly advertisement, and build-up is pretty good. It's got a good response. We just about sell out every game now, and it's growing. It's a growing sport here. Selling out here in Southern California has not always been the case, but you just alluded to lately it's been selling out, and it's all over the city. Absolutely, yes. In fact, you probably noticed the advertisement on buses and billboards and whatnot, newspapers. But yeah, it's definitely growing. Actually, I believe it's growing at a faster rate than they expected. The players come on the field before the game starts. They're warming up. They're going through their paces. The fans are engaged the whole time. Yes. In fact, that's part of it. The whole experience, it consists of the warm up, the greetings, and getting to meet and see some of the players. It builds up to the game, and then the game itself at just a whole different level. The excitement builds from there on. How do the players feel about playing here in Southern California at the Stub Hub? They seem to really like it because of the weather, the location, the crowd diversity. Like I say, it's just an all-around good experience here. And diversity is an important tool for marketing. Absolutely, and I believe that's more so here in Southern California because of California's makeup, the people. At first I thought it was going to be a hard sell, the sport, and the numbers were small, but they've been here now just about 18 seasons, and it just keeps growing. It's a good thing. So yeah, California's been really good, a good location. Is this a winning team and for a winning season? Well, yes, they have 4 championships. We expect that to happen this season. On paper, we look great. Yes, so we'll see. And the players are having a good time? Good time, a very good time. They enjoy it. They love it. They like I say, they wouldn't be here. Right. Yeah. How important is soccer to America? El soccer en América es parte de la historia de la vida de las personas, de nosotros.
Soccer is very important in America because it's part of our life. That's what basically, and everyday life. And whoever loves soccer, right?
Yeah. Tonight's opening night with the LA Galaxy here at Stub Hub. How exciting!
It's very good. It's very exciting. Galaxy está recogiendo lo que sembró a 18 años atrás.
Yeah, opening night for Galaxy is always very exciting because not only we opened it 18 years ago, and it's just get better and better every season. Very successful franchise. So.
Yeah, yo cuando venía hoy al estadio estaba muy sorprendida y muy contenta de ver todo el tráfico y toda la gente y toda la algarabía, porque 18 años atrás era muy difícil ver todo esto.
La cámara,
Era muy difícil ver todo esto en un juego de soccer aquí en California y con un equipo como el Galaxy.
It's unbelievable to see something like how the traffic, how the fans, how everything runs, the stadium. It's incredible to see how in the past, things were not run the same way. Now it's like such an easy transition to get to the stadium, to get out of the stadium, and the fans to make it all happen.
Are you surprised by the growth of soccer in the States? Are you surprised by it?
¿Te sorprende cómo ha crecido el fútbol aquí en Estados
Unidos? Me sorprende, pero no me sorprende tanto porque la MLS fue diseñada para trabajar de esta manera y crecer de esta manera porque han hecho un trabajo muy cuidadoso, muy responsable y muy profesional.
So you're not surprised because when they opened the league, the Major League Soccer opened, they studied everything, they did everything, they calculated everything the best possible way. So the stadiums are the right side for the normal, 20,000, 30,000. So the MLS started the league with the intention to
do what it's doing now.
Now.
Last question. How great is this season going to be?
¿Qué tal
esta season? El Galaxy va a batallar, tiene un plantel joven, muy joven. Los jugadores experimentados son buenos, necesitan poner, ahora sí que les toca enseñar a los jóvenes, creo que va a batallar, pero va a ser una gran sesión, una gran temporada, porque los equipos que vienen aquí siempre vienen a ganarle al Galaxy.
Yeah.
Siempre, cada partido a partido es muy excitante.
Yeah, I think Galaxy is always the team to beat. So we know we understand we have a young team. So it's going to be uphill for the season. But it's going to be very successful. We believe the Galaxy is going to have a great season. Yeah, it's going to be very exciting, very successful. Yeah.